change style on GhibliArt AI. If you want to change the picture on different style, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have connected to the internet. After that, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in GhibliArt AI and click on enter. This is the homepage of the official website of GhibliArt AI, and here on the top right corner you can see the sign in option. You need to sign in to your account to change the style of the picture. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up option to create a new one. And if you already have signed up before, simply type in your credentials and click on sign in. After you have successfully logged into your account, you will see your profile icon on the top right corner. Now click on the Try for Free button. Here you can see different options. First, you need to upload the picture that you want to change style of, and after that, here you can see this prompt field. Simply type in the prompt that you want to create on your picture. Now if you want your picture to look like anime character, simply type in the prompt and it will change the style of your picture. After that, choose the correct aspect ratio as per you require and click on this generate Ghibli image button. So this is how you can change style on GhibliArt AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.